Welcome to the Insurance Research Letter Live, a monthly synopsis of what's new in the Insurance Research Letter. A quick side note, the Insurance Research Letter has been published every month for more than 50 years, making it the single most authoritative reference source for the international insurance business. Subscribe and read our new monthly section, aptly named A Look Back, that recounts significant industry news from around the world. Now, some of this month's articles include: US and EU reach a covered agreement on cross-border insurance and reinsurance. On January 13, 2017, the U.S. Department of the Treasury, the Office of the U.S. Trade Representative, and the European Commission announced that they had reached a covered agreement regarding international insurance groups doing business in the United States and the European Union, concluding negotiations that officially began in November 2015. Read what this U.S. and EU covered agreement on cross-border insurance means. Navigating a challenged global order. What has made operating with higher risk in all parts of the world business as usual is a breakdown of the norms that have held since the end of World War II. These norms and values have always been violated, but there's often been a price to pay for it, which deterred others from breaking them and maintained a global system that has lifted hundreds of millions out of poverty. In the past 15 or so years, the challenges to these norms have become so widespread that the global system itself is under threat. Urgent need arises on silent cyber risks. Unfortunately, for underwriters of both traditional and newer policy forms, emerging cyber threats can be difficult, if not impossible, to predict and factor into underwriting and policy drafting processes. And what will President Trump want to change in the insurance world? Learn what our correspondent in London says about President Trump's plans for the insurance world. Read these and other articles written by business insurance leaders from around the world. Each monthly edition is available on any device. Save now. Subscribe to the Insurance Research Letter at irletter.com/subscriptions.